Nice one. Yes. On. 19. Oh yeah. That is a trout. That is a trout. What's up guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a little different. We're fishing a tournament out here in Ozello for fish finders. It's the last tournament of the year. I'm hoping for that win. Unfortunately today I forgot my sunglasses, and we all know that's one of the main things you need for sight fishing on a low tide. But I'm gonna make do and hopefully come out with a win. So I'll see you guys out there. Huh? Hey guys, we're on. First fish of the day. A little redfish. It's a little dinker. See that, guys? Beautiful little guy. Yeah, it's right here. Gotta be a red over here. On. Nice one. Yes. Keeper. Keeper red. Net. Oh, there's like 4 of them with it. He's beautiful. Yes. Dude, I think he's like 21. Damn it. Oh my God. Dude, there's like a freaking, like a 37. You need to come over here to this little deep hole. Upgrade. $19. Alright guys, this one doesn't measure for the tournament. He's 19 inches. Still beautiful. Snook. Got a little snook, guys. I'm in this little back area off of the main channel. There's a couple deep holes back here and oyster beds, and it seems like all the fish are sitting right up on them. Here's a keeper. Yeah, he's like 24. That was him eating it on top. He's fat. Oh yeah, he's keep. Come on. Stop spinning. Got him. There's a tournament fish. Oh, they're loaded in here. Look at that, guys. Nice redfish. Let's get it released. There's another red. Snook. Dylan, come over here, man. This is my third snook and I caught 5 reds. My third snook and I caught 5 reds. See that, guys? A little snook on the DOA. Guys, I just caught the biggest trout of my life. Oh. Look at this, guys. Ridiculous.
You got the hook? Barely hooked?
Yeah. Thanks.
Look at the gator, dude. Good thing.
Oh my god.
25 inches, dude.
No, he's just fat.
23, but fat.
How big they gotta be? 17.
23.
But he's probably like 5 pounds.
He's like 6 pounds, dude. Yeah.
It's only gonna get better from here. Oh, and I am soaked. Jeez, I'm trying to let you go, bud. There he goes.
Right to the bottom.
Whew. Thanks for your help. There's no way I would have been able to do that myself.
Landing creds go to me. Like always.
I would not have been able to lip him.
Are they in the edge of the mullet or what?
No, dude. Look right there. That's a trout. Do you see him explode? Right out there. On. Oh yeah. That is a trout.
No way.
That is a trout. Dude. Oh my god. That's like 31.
Landing creds again.
Yeah. Upper 20s maybe. Dude, he's huge. Holy shit. Oh shit.
Went right through the landing net.
I still have him. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, got it?
Yeah.
Watch it. He's in my net though.
He's through the net.
He's through the net.
Here he is, right here.
Just float and get it. I got another net if you want.
Where is he?
He's stuck on your net.
He's the other way. You want to scoop him the other way? Go through here. Here.
Oh my god.
Here, just go like this. He ain't gonna go through here.
Barely hooked, barely hooked. Got him.
Oh my god. I'm gonna have to cut your. Yeah, we got him. I'm gonna have to cut your line, dude.
Oh, God.
I thought that was a red.
I thought it was a red. It fought harder than any redfish I've caught.
How in the world did he go through my landing?
I don't know, but that was horrible.
Oh my goodness.
Look at this, guys. Look at this trout. Talk about a gator.
Nope. Personal best? Is that your PB trout?
No, close.
My PB trout.
All right, grab my pick. You sure that's right?
He's fat, dude. Come on.
Look how big.
Get him in the water.
He gone.
Yeah, I had to get a measure on him.
Smoked that thing.
You twitch it?
Yeah, it's like the third twitch, and I seen this beeline straight for it. Ow. On. Red. Has to be. It's a red. Yeah.
How in the world?
Come here, baby. A grass red. Vegetarian.
Literally this next cow. Get out of here.
Hands on a roll.
Cast in there, dude. Oh crap, I'm going for a ride again. There we go. Look at that, guys. Nice little redfish. Sink 2 times, let it sink. Oh man. This current is something else. Can we go for 3? Did he give up? Did he give up? Oh, here we go. Red. Number 11 today. Little ratty. Look how beautiful these guys are. Oh, he's gone. Man, this side is loaded, dude. We really should have fished this.